and welcome to a video in which I will finally present my whole collection, which consists of two albums for the current world banknotes, and this is for sure the best part, I would say. And yeah, I will of course make several parts because otherwise it would take a bit too long. And it's in alphabetical order, and as you see, I start with Egypt. In German, it's Ägypten. And yeah, here you can see I kind of have the whole set. I bought them when there was sort of a devaluation, and now 200 is only like 10 euros. And this Australia, also some mix. I only got the new 5 because I don't like the new series. There's like a Chinese whatever, just a placeholder. This Ethiopia, the whole set. Now they already have a new series, which is they're quite nice. They have something unique. Afghanistan, I only have those. Abkhazia, very exclusive. One of the probably this is the rarest note that I have because there's only a few thousand of them. And yeah, this is Argentina. The entire old series together with some new versions, which are already quite worthless now. And here, those pretty famous ones and the animal series. Aruba, only the fiber. This is Albania. I got the whole set when I was there for one day. This one is the most beautiful. What they did now is pretty horrible. And Angola, Armenia. Yeah, some of the old series, some of the new. The new one is still very rare in circulation. There's still mostly those. Artsakh, which basically doesn't exist anymore like this, and so those notes are, it's 2 dram, but it's completely worthless basically. They only printed them for, some collectors at some point. Algeria, I would like to get a better one and some of the new series. And Azerbaijan, they also updated the 1 and 5 and 50 already. I got them last year when I was there. And the Bahamas. Also, they have an updated series now, but those definitely still are really nice. Bulgaria. Still, like, they have the same value as the German mark, and the same with the Bosnian mark as well. But both, I don't select them too much. The 5 is out of circulation. 10, 20, 50 from Botswana. Now there's a 10 polymer note, and here Brunei, 2 different $1 notes. Also, I'm not a huge fan of them. And Bahrain. They're still the same ones. Bermuda, I only got this old fiber. I definitely need to get the animal series. Belize, 2, 5, and 10. Bhutan, you recently saw them. And I added them, and I'm quite proud of them. And also, almost the whole set, of Bangladesh. I didn't buy the 1,000, although they had them. But it was in nice condition. And Burundi, some old, and the whole new series. Brazil. Bolivia. I definitely need to get a new series which looks much nicer. Barbados, 2 from the old, 2 from the new series. Belarus, quite a lot of the old one. I exchanged them in 2016 in Poland. when they were still in circulation. And then when I went to Belarus in 2018, I got them myself, and they're really nice. But for sure, they're losing in value quite fast already. Yeah, Cuba, the local worthless series. This is like 1 point something dollars, and just those are worth a few times more. Yeah, and but they will abandon this one, which is like backed by the US dollar. They will only have the shitty currency. Cabo Verde from the old and from the new series. I hope to add some more. Comoros. I recently got the old ones, and here the new one, 500 and 1000. Cook Islands. Cayman Islands, really nice. China. Cambodia. Mix of older and new series. Congo. The big one. Canada. Costa Rica. Chile. Djibouti. Dominican Republic, a lot of versions, different series. Denmark. Old and new series with the bridges. Yeah, some old euros. And some new. Eritrea. Which the design is, how do you say, yeah, still it should somehow remind the US dollar. And this one is pretty exotic as well. El Salvador. They now use the dollar, but theoretically they're still in circulation, but now, yeah, they're very rare. This Columbus here is quite nice. Yeah, some standard British pounds. The paper ones, which are already partly demonetized. And Fiji. Okay, I will make a cut here and continue with the second half and the other ones.